Hello, I am Lakshman Maaheshwary, and today we are going to talk about the Government of India Act of 1935. Here you can have a look at the Act. It was the longest act of the British Parliament ever enacted by that time, containing 473 clauses and 16 schedules. It was surpassed 64 years later only by the Greater London Authority Act of 1999. Let us understand the genesis of this act. The Simon Commission met with strong opposition. Its conclusions weren't accepted by the Congress. A series of roundtable conferences were then held in the early 1930s. Agreement was reached in principle that a federal system of government should be introduced. It would comprise the provinces of British India and those princely states that were willing to accede to it. The Indian contribution to the British war effort during the First World War made India very crucial to the British Empire. Hence, certain relaxations were made in this act. Talking about the provisions, the grant of a large measure of autonomy to the provinces of the British India. It ended the system of diarchy introduced by the Government of India Act of 1919. There was introduction of direct elections, a partial reorganization of the provinces. Under this, Sindh was separated from Bombay. The province of Bihar and Odisha was split into separate provinces of Bihar and Odisha. Burma was completely separated from India. It also led to the establishment of a federal court. The Act also contained provisions for the establishment of a Federation of India. However, it never came into operation due to opposition from the rulers of the princely states. The provincial governors retained important reserve powers. The British authorities also retained a right to suspend responsible government. The greatest shortcoming of this act was the ambiguity of British commitment to dominion status. India wanted constitutional parity with the existing dominions like Australia, Canada, the Irish Free State, New Zealand, and the Union of South Africa. In the words of Nehru, it was a machine with strong brakes but no engine. He called it a charter of slavery. This video was about the Government of India Act of 1935 and was brought to you by Lakshman Maaheshwary. Please like, subscribe and share to keep receiving important updates. Have a good day.